Hello everyone. Another little commentary, reflection. So some people have asked me that why is it that even in this crisis, leaders may not be willing to take bets with talent? And I just thought I will do a short video blog. One of the biggest reasons why people don't do it is because they are themselves products of an environment which is different than what it is today. Let me tell you a story. I had a management colleague on one of the management teams that I was a CHRO at, who was very upset that HR was not sharing with her resumes with people with 20 years of experience, and that HR was sharing resumes which were about 15 years of experience. And actually, I was quite lost because it became just an issue of resume supply. And I believe line managers should be able to also pitch in with talent hunt, or at least make recommendations of people that you otherwise respect in the market, and HR can try and ensnare them or market the opportunity. So I remember throwing a bit of paper or passing on a bit of paper to her and saying, okay, why don't you write 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20? She said, why should I write it? I said, no, just write it for me. And then I said, please write down how will the experience or skill set change from 15 to 16, 16 to 17, 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20. Now, this is a real example. Needless to say, she did not, and she could not write. But this is a problem, a mindset with many leaders. They are stuck in time. And unless you are willing to be more assured of taking bets in the hope that some bets are possibly better solutions than the historical way of looking at it, you will continue to make the same mistakes. You will continue to support blockers. You will continue to go with years of experience. You will continue to have the same mindset. And you will continue to try and solve the problem the way you solved 20 years back when it made sense but does not make sense today. Cut to my own experience with youngsters. I remember I hired a management trainee from a top campus many years back. And after about a couple of years of experience, I asked her to go as a CHRO of a subsidiary of the parent company, succeeding someone with about 25 years of blue chip pedigree experience. I mean, even my CEO thought I was mad. Here is a person with 2-3 years experience succeeding someone with 25 years of experience. Long story short, she turned out to be a star. And then we took bigger bets with her, and then she went abroad as an expat leader, and the rest was history. I can rattle off many such experiences of people who came with a medical background, an R&D background, a sales background in my own teams. I could as well have said they do not have the experience. They do not even have the functional background. And it is not to say that anyone can do HR. The point I would like to emphasize is that particularly as we go through these times, you need to look at your problems with a fresh pair of eyes. Please take bets with talent. Please put people in bigger jobs disproportionate to their age and experience. Experiment with them even if they don't have a ready background. Don't play safe. Step up and be a leader. Contribute to developing that person. Contribute to building talent, to managing talent, rather than saying, I need a ready-made plug-and-play guy. If you do not do that, I can almost tell you, you will be starved of ideas, and you are not going to be building a reputation of being a talent magnet or someone who builds talent. Grow your people. Attract a different tribe of people. You will grow in that process. And I give you my personal experience. I grew because these people, and many of them who moved much faster than otherwise I would have thought once, I learned with them, through them, and because of them. Stick your neck out, and you will ensure that your neck is never under threat. Bye.